Alright, so I plugged in my keyboard. Let's press that Y button, see how it operates. Alright, code cycling. Let's witness this coding firsthand. Oh, I think I saw a post. Let's see. I saw REG on the screen. There we go, guys. You know your boy. CMOS battery. And here we are, guys, with the BIOS. Oh, CMOS battery. And I think this might have happened because of the old processor that was in the system that could have hiccuped the system looking for the previous settings. So, and since I changed the processor without draining the memory out the motherboard, it was still looking for specific settings, I believe. You can let me know down below. But once I click that CMOS, here we go. You know, I'm not saying I'm a genius or anything, but you know, I'm that fucking guy. Now, I'm not going to make any changes to the system as of right now because, like I said, I will be including 2 more RAM sticks. I believe when I do so, it bumps up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, which is more than enough that I need. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to exit out the BIOS and get into Windows. All right, the exit, so let's see if it gets into Windows. Power cycling. Oh yes, I forgot about this. So I have to go back into the BIOS and ignore this. Give me 1 second. You go over to monitor, CPU fan, ignore. Name changes and reset. Because you know we're all about the AIO life. Booting in. There we go, guys. You know your boy Dre be putting the shit together. Top fight PC builder. Got that double A because you know it's A-OK. Now if you guys remember my last video, this riser cable is a Gen 3.0, so that means I would have to go into BIOS and change that. So here's that PCIe lane 1. Instead of using auto, I just be very specific and put a Gen 3. So there'll be no issue in terms of display. Now this happened off camera. When I first booted into Windows, I saw the display, but then it went black. I switched the display ports to either or monitor, but it was still showing black. So I figured let me go into the BIOS and see what happens here. All right, it's going through its reset, loading Windows. Now I have a little problem. It doesn't want to show display, and I believe it's that 3.0 riser cable. And now I'm forced to try to use that riser cable that I already have, which is a 4.0 with a broken hitch.